solve for the given variable. In this case, the given variable is p. Now, at the moment, this particular equation is perfectly balanced. It says that the left-hand side is equal to the value on the right-hand side. That's good. What that means is whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side to make sure our equation stays balanced, or one side is the same value as the other side. So ultimately, what we're going to do is we're going to want to end up with a p equaling a particular value. Okay, and how we go about that is we want to show our working clearly in a step-by-step manner to clearly illustrate how we get to our final solution. So the working is very, very important. So let's go through this. So we want to be left with p. We take away whatever we can on the same side as the variable, which is p, right? So here we have 41.3. Now this means positive 41.3, right? Because it doesn't say negative, so it must be positive. How do we cancel out plus 41.3? Well, we do the inverse, or the opposite, and we minus 41.3, and we must do the same to the other side. So we're going to minus 41.3. What that means is we have now cancelled out this plus 41.3, because that's now 0, because 41.3 minus 41.3 is 0. That leaves the plus p. Now we don't have to write the plus, so p. It's a positive p, that's why we don't have to write the positive. And on this side, we've got 32 minus 41.3. Now, you might want to use a calculator for this to make it a little bit easier on yourself. And we'll do exactly the same. So, there we go, 32 minus 41.3 gives us minus 9.3. So we write our answer here, minus 9.3, and that is our answer. If the variable here is a positive, and its value is a negative, that's fine. It's just leave it like that. So p equals minus 9.3. What we should do is check. So let's check. And we check by using substitution, right? So plus p equals 32. The way we substitute is we take out the variable and we substitute in its value. Now we think this is worth minus 9.3. Okay? So what this means is 41.3 plus minus 9.3. So plus minus is to effectively minus 9.3. And that should be 32. So let's just check that out again by using our calculator. 41.3 plus 9. 41.3 minus 9.3 equals 32. So that definitely is correct. Now that is correct, which means that is correct, which means our working is correct, which means the whole thing is correct.